Hello students, welcome to my channel The Tilok Tutorials. Our today's topic of discussion is the future indefinite tense. The future indefinite tense. Our today's topic of discussion is the future indefinite tense. Future indefinite tense. This tense expresses an action that is to take place in future. This tense expresses an action. This tense expresses an action. Okay, this tense expresses an action that is to take place in this tense expresses an action that is to take place in future. Okay, example of future indefinite tense is they will come here. They will come here shortly. They will come here shortly. They will come here shortly. Okay, will come. Next, number 2, Ritu will take examination. Ritu will take examination next month. Ritu will take examination next month. So here future indefinite tense is used, will take. Okay, in case of future indefinite tense, some words are used to indicate future action. Okay, in case of future indefinite tense, some words are used to indicate future action, and these words are future action, and these words are soon, shortly. These words are soon, shortly, in a few moments, next, tomorrow, presently. Okay, presently means soon. Next year, oblique next month, oblique next week. These words indicate future action. Okay, these words are used to indicate future action. Okay, so another example of future indefinite tense, another use of future indefinite tense. Then point B, it should be noted that there are several ways to express future action in English. There are several ways to indicate future action in English. It should be noted that there are several ways to indicate future action in English, and the first one is present continuous tense is used to indicate future action. Present continuous tense is used to indicate future action. Okay, present continuous tense is used to indicate future action. It is more definite action than the action expressed in the future indefinite tense. When we use present continuous tense to express future action, then a more definite action than the action expressed in the more definite action is indicated than the action expressed in the future indefinite tense. A more definite action is expressed, okay, a more definite action is expressed in the present continuous tense than the action expressed in the future indefinite tense, okay. Example, they are coming tomorrow, okay, they are coming tomorrow. So present continuous tense is used to express a future action but a more certain action. That means certain to come. That means certain to come, okay. So they are coming tomorrow, that means certain to come. Another way to express future action is future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is used to express future action, okay. Example, future continuous tense is used to express future indefinite tense or future action. Example, Sushant will be arriving soon. Sushant will be arriving soon, okay. Sushant will be arriving soon. Future continuous tense is used to indicate future action, okay. That means he will arrive, okay. That means he will arrive. Another example, future action is also expressed. Future action is also expressed in the present indefinite tense. Future action is also expressed in present indefinite tense, okay. Example, she arrives from USA. She arrives from USA next month. She arrives from USA next month, okay. That means she arrives from, that means will arrive. She arrives from USA next month. She arrives. Future action is indicated by present simple tense or present indefinite tense. Another example, the Prime Minister leaves for Lucknow tomorrow. The Prime Minister leaves for Lucknow tomorrow, okay. So the Prime Minister leaves, present indefinite tense is used to express a future action. That means the Prime Minister will leave So students, this is all about future indefinite tense. If you like this class, please subscribe my channel and do share with your friends. Thank you for watching.